It gets better.
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 There's hope and there's help.
People are here for you. People who care and understand.
It may be the darkest time in the world for you, but you need to understand that there is hope. There's always hope and there is always help.
If you or a friend are feeling lost and lonely, there's someone who can help.
It's called the Trevor Project.
A confidential, toll-free, 24-hour suicide hotline for gay and questioning youth.
If you're being bullied in school, you're not alone. Don't give up.
Please talk to your school advisors or call the Trevor Project.
If you want to talk to someone without judgment, call the Trevor Project.
A confidential, toll-free, 24-hour suicide hotline for gay and questioning youth.
There is hope and there is help. Call the Trevor Project.
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 Call the Trevor Project.